You have any idea?
Swallow fire. The beauty pageants here, they swallow fire during talent portion. Yeah, they do.
Wow.
Ito, pwet na to.
Buhay ka pa ba?
Alam mo, matulog ka muna na.
This is Reyna's Up Close, your backstage access sa lahat ng mga kaganapan at drama sa likod ng kamera. Ito ang kwento ng Reyna Filipinas. Raw, unfiltered, unmasked. Here's the tea.
This world is so cold and deceiving, filled with lies and disguises and cheating. I got just the right sugar to sweeten.
How is it like being the new queen? Is it tiring or are you excited to do so many things?
Yeah, I enjoy every day. I feel happy, like with energy. I always say, it's more work. I want more work.
But you only have 7 months, right?
7?
7 or 6? 6, right?
6.
Yeah, I think it's
6. Yes.
But you will win the second one. Are you prepared
Oh my God.
or pressured?
I just start with this, but I think I need to do something total different. Like crazy, maybe fly or maybe jump. I don't know. But yeah, I want to try something total different, new,
Yeah.
magic. But I need creative.
We're excited to
I
be
need
surprised.
ideas. You have any idea?
Swallow fire. The beauty pageants here, they swallow fire during talent portion. Yeah, they do.
Wow.
They also do fire dancing.
Fire
Wow.
dancing.
Maybe it's hard on a star like this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whenever you want me, I'm here for you. I'll make a brand new.
So plan natin is pagbaba natin ng Hilton, diretso na tayo sa 3rd floor. So lahat ng guests natin, since sila Sergio ay nandun na waiting to welcome them.
Wait, it's okay ba na mag-shoot doon?
Pwede. So pwede nyo silang sundan
Okay, it's okay.
habang ayan, nag-welcome si Sergio. So malapit na tayo guys. Susundan natin sila.
溶けてく夜明けにこれが最後の願いね Let's go!
Thank you, George.
Don't worry about because I have another meeting. We just need to check you in.
She wants to eat balut.
I just focus my face.
Ah,
Big or small? What do you think?
it's small.
Small?
Yeah, it is small. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's
My hand.
His hands is bigger than your face.
Okay, go.
Yeah. Take photos.
You can choose whatever shoes you want to bring, and then if you want to bring everything, you can. But I don't know if you have luggage for it, but that's yours to choose from. Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you.
I'll leave your keys here.
Ay, sabihin siyang
Bad little baby, oh, I'm hot like tea. I'm a bad bad little chick with a body on me. Like, low ring, ring, ring. Never met a girl like me in his dreams. Lit like big with a face so mean. All the bad boys trying to get with me. Low ring, ring, ring.
Kasi ang nabook lang sa akin ng Sergio, foreigner. Yun.
Sabi ko din kasi sa DC namin na pwede ko naman ako mag-edit. Pero, sabi ni Sir Jun, ikaw na. Pero bukas sabi ko pwede.
Medyo ka. Sige. Tapusin ko lang tong final ko. Nag-request si Papa Nawat na kailangan daw agad yung photo. So, gagawin na lang natin muna before mag-eat tayo. Sagit lang.
Ano oras pa yung huddle? Paano pag sumupo, dating na.
Kabalik na bukas.
Drop lang natin to, tas excited.
Gagawa pa sila yung map for mga VTR channel. So tinatapos pa lahat, wala pang natatapos.
Sumigin muna tayo. Sir Janelle? Babalik na kami. Mag-hatin tayo. Abot kaya kami. 24 hours pa. Hanggang 2 AM naman daw.
Sa loob ng Newburgh. Okay.
Sige, kita-kita po tayo din, Sir Gina, para makapag-lagyan na. Tapos bumas, alam niyo ng team kung anong guard.
Para hindi na tayo.
So tomorrow, ito yung magiging flow natin for Reyna Filipinas so Grand MediaCon natin. So before pa ito mangyari, lahat tayo meron ng kanya-kanyang responsibilities, no? So as early as 4 AM, may ingress na tayo doon sa setup. But of course, hindi tayo makakarating to na 4 AM. Mauna doon 4 AM ay mawal sa setup ng set design at saka stage tsaka no, para photo wall natin, which is Sir Taste team. Tayo earliest natin should be ako I can be there but by 8 AM to check lang the setup, the seats, ganyan. Sige, so currently meron tayong 141 guests already na nakalista. Pwedeng pa-help tayo dito, Karen, sa giveaway area since yung in-endorse yung giveaways. Kayo naman, ang gusto kong help sana would be for the lights. Tapos tomorrow, i-plan out mo din yung gusto mong coverage for them, pag-create ng stand. Pero before yun, kailangan ko ng tulong niya sa lights. Kasi yung isa-set up ni Sir Tay na magandang backdrop, nakita nyo na ba yun? Nakita nyo na yung backdrop? Ang gusto ko lang mangyari ay ma-arrange yung seat arrangement tsaka yung registration area.
Ano na mangyayari?
Pwede nyo as early as 8 kung gusto nyo na pumunta doon.
Pwede. Pagtulungan na natin.
Ako hindi muna ako maliligo para magpunta muna ako. Siguro maliligo ako man ng mga after run-through, mga 2.
Kasi pagdating ng 11, maghihiwalay kami ni Ninang.
Oo, for the guest. Isang gabi lang to na puyat tayo, tas bukas.
Walwal.
Puyat pa din.
Pupuyat kayo for walwal nyo na.
Long weekend naman.
Sagad lang muna natin. Ito, puyat na to.
Buhay ka pa ba?
Alam mo, matulog ka muna dyan. Sabi niya,
Humiga ka muna dun sa...
oo, be, itulog mo yan.
Filipinas.
Wala pa eh.
Nasimulan mo na? Paano yung nasimulan?
Wala pa talaga eh. Kaya nagmamadali ako. Kasi kakakulit ko lang ng mga files, so ayun, kailangan ko siyang balikan. Mga ba, tapos ila-landscape mo, paano yun? Abot naman to. Siyempre kailangan.
Confident.
Oo, kaya naman. Walang tulugan nga lang. Malalaban. So yun. First pa lang to ha. Ano na lang yung mga susunod na araw.
Mabuhay! Preparing for Reyna Filipinas. It's the grand video conference, so kailangan ay grand din tayo.
Okay, so...
Disfruta la aventura, se queda entre nosotros. Si mañana no nos vemos, siempre será mi chula. Tú estás hasta ya. Dale. Tú estás hasta ya. Tú estás hasta ya. Tú estás hasta ya. Se nota, mami, que te gusta disfrutar. Y esa noche contigo no la voy a borrar. La